Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In our lesson today, we are looking at a question on the application of volume of a cylinder. A cylindrical pipe 2.5 meter long is made of lead 1 centimeter thick. The internal diameter of the pipe is 8 centimeter. A. Find the volume of the lead pipe. Then B. Calculate the mass in kg if the density of the lead is 11.34. Okay, so let's see how we solve this. Before we solve this, let's make a sketch of what a cylindrical pipe looks like. If this is a cylinder, the cylindrical pipe, since it is a pipe, it has to have a hole. Now we are told that the internal diameter is 8 centimeter. So this hole that we have in the center of the pipe is 8 centimeter, right? And we are told that the lead pipe is 1 centimeter thick. That means this space from the center, that is the hole, to the circumference of the bigger circle is 1 centimeter, right? And that extended to this point from here to here also is 1 centimeter. So what it means is that for the bigger circle, the diameter is 10 centimeter, because you add this one to this one and then to the center diameter, you have what? 10 centimeter. And originally the smaller circle has 8 centimeter diameter. So how do we solve the volume of the lead pipe? We are going to find the volume of the bigger circle and subtract the volume of the smaller circle. All right. Meanwhile, the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. So we are going to solve this two times. That is, the volume of the lead pipe will be given by pi r square h minus pi r square h. We are subtracting the volume of the small pipe, so I will use small letter radius and use capital letter radius. Before we simplify substituting the information in the formula, we need to convert 2.8 meters to centimeters, since the diameter or the radius of the pipe is in centimeter. So how do we convert? You multiply 2.8 by 100. Conversion between meter and centimeter is 100. You either multiply or divide to convert between the both of them. So when we multiply, I will have 280. So we are going to be using our height as 280. So let's substitute properly. Remember, we are using pi as 22 over 7. Okay, so let's simplify. Pi is 22 over 7 times the radius. The radius for the bigger circle is 5, because diameter is 2 times your radius. So your radius is the half of your diameter. So I'll use 5 squared times the height, 280. Then for the smaller circle, we have minus 22 over 7 times the radius has to be 4, because the diameter of the smaller circle is 8. So we use 4 squared times 280, because the height of the both of them are same. So let's multiply. Punch your calculator. 22 times 25, because 5 squared is 25, times 280. You divide by 7. Then do something similar here. Okay, so multiplying gives me 22,000 minus, this is 14,080. Then let's subtract. That is giving me 7,920. All right, so we found the volume, and that is in centimeter cube. Volume is measured in cubic centimeter. All right, so having solved the first one, let's consider solving the second one. We are asked to find the mass. How do we find the mass? We get the mass when we multiply the density against the volume. Okay, we multiply the density against the volume, and here our volume is 7,920, but the density is 11.34. So I'm going to say 11.34 times 7920. Okay, so that is giving me 9,288. But look here, we are asked to measure it in kg. Okay, so we are going to convert this in kilogram. So to convert to kilogram, we divide by 1,000. But here we have it in gram. So to convert it to kilogram, we divide this by 1,000. So dividing by 1,000, that will give me 90.288 in kilogram, and that becomes the solution. All right, thank you so much for paying attention to the end of the class. Please do well to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting math tutorials. See you in my next class. Bye.